In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Sign, an efficient tool for managing and automating electronic signatures. It's a great way to handle documents that need to be signed, whether you're running a business or just want to streamline your paperwork. Let's dive into how you can make the most of it. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Sign dashboard. You can access this by logging into your Zoho account and navigating to the Zoho Sign application. This is the main hub where you'll manage all your documents that require electronic signatures. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice the option to Sign. Clicking on this is your starting point for initiating signature processes. Zoho Sign is designed to be intuitive, so don't be intimidated. You'll find that each step logically follows the next. Next, let's focus on sending documents for signatures. By clicking on Send for Signatures, you're presented with the option to upload documents and specify who needs to sign them. This feature is especially handy in keeping track of who has signed what and when. Once you've uploaded a document, simply input the recipient's email address and any specific signing instructions. Your recipient will receive an email with a link, allowing them to sign the document easily. If you're looking to sign documents yourself, Zoho Sign has streamlined that too. Under Sign Yourself, you can access and sign documents directly without the need to print them out first. This option is perfect for contracts or agreements you receive that need your approval. Just open the document, review the contents, and follow the prompts to add your signature. Zoho Sign ensures that the process is secure and binding, so you can have peace of mind. Now let's talk about managing your documents. Clicking on Documents in the Zoho Sign dashboard allows you to organize everything in one place. Whether it's checking the status of a document or retrieving a past contract, Zoho Sign helps you keep track of all your documents without hassle. If you're sending out similar documents frequently, the Templates feature will be a great time saver. You can prepare a document once and save it as a template to use over and over again. Just fill in the variable fields each time you send it, and you're good to go. Sign forms are another useful feature. They're essentially reusable links that you can share with multiple recipients, allowing them to sign documents individually. It's ideal for scenarios like waivers or consent forms. Just share the link and you're done. Finally, the Reports feature provides insights into your document status and history. You can track document completion, understand bottlenecks, and manage your paperwork more effectively. In conclusion, Zoho Sign offers a suite of tools to simplify the signing process, saving you time and boosting productivity. Experiment with these features to see how they can best serve your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!